Hi, my name is Emily. This is a 2018 Toyota Camry X SE, and I'm going to show you guys how to program your home location. So when you turn the vehicle on, your home screen will most likely look like this. What you can do is go to Menu, Destination, and this little home icon up here, you just press that. It will ask you if you want to save your home. You want to say yes. And then what you'll do is you'll plug in the address of your home, starting with state. Oregon. We'll use Gladstone. We're just going to use a dealership for right now. Street name is Mcloughlin. You want to make sure to include the direction. It's southeast. And then search. It's going to find that address, and then you just hit save, and it will save it as your home location.